they said. And then the next thing I saw was Ashish getting all the snacks inside the boat to feed the fish. And it's like, that's our bread! Where are you thinking that? They just with their wet hands, they just grab it and then back to the water.
So I sent an application to one recruiter. And then I got the job in one interview.
Defying gravity.
But yeah, I've always...
I can see you on stage. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. But yeah, when I was a kid, I did one workshop and I fell in love with it. But it's not... it wasn't something sustainable for me back then. So that's why, if I had a choice, I would be a theater actress.
I'd be a barista.
Oh. And I'm the owner.
Not the cafe owner, just the one in doing cashier and doing the whole.
You love Diner Dash.
Yes, I feel very pressured playing that. So it's not a game to me, it's like serious stuff.
You wanted to be a dentist. Like, it's so cool when you look at someone that's called a doctor, but you just happen to study it for 5 or 6 years, and then you're already a doctor. But then one of my
1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay po.
Thank you.
What is it?
Wow! Yay!
English to
Ay, hindi.
Gaba.
Good mo. Sobrang sarap nito.
She just said, it's so good.
Uy, who wants this?
What's the word in Yankee? Farming, yeah. Farming. I could be planting trees for reforestation, or could be planting vegetables. I love plants. That's why I studied biology. But the intent way back in college was for me to really take up medicine talaga. But like Sam, I'm afraid of blood. What I love to do, even enough, if not planting vegetables, flowers.
We have a shout out every time after. We have a daily stand-up huddle. Yeah. So it's a pre and post.
Excited yarn?
Go, Kristen! Si Raya.
Buhay pa tayo.
There's an issue with my middle name, so I have to change it first before I apply to college. And when I got back, the slots were no longer available. The only available slot is for night shift. And I don't want